Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check friend request you sent on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Snapchat. Now, tap on your Bitmoji right here at the very top. And then scroll down and find Add Friends. Just tap on it. And then tap on three dots right here at the very top. And tap on Friends I've recently added. All right. In this section, you will see a chronological list of accounts you have sent a friend request to. Now, if the history log right here is unavailable, you can manually verify if a specific request is still pending. So how do we do it? Well, just basically look for a name right here. Let's say Justin. Okay. I can go ahead and tap on one profile. Just like so. And then here, if a blue check mark or a gray pending icon appears next to their name instead of an add button, while your sent request is still active and awaiting for their approval. So those are the ways to check friend requests you sent on Snapchat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.